Welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. So I was on Instagram. All the good stories start like that, by the way. I was on Instagram. So I was on Instagram and I ran across this indie company and the palette they were showing, I was like, oh my gosh. Cat hair. So I was like, oh my gosh. I have to have that. So I went and checked them out. They're called Ammo Cosmetics. And I ordered the palette I saw, and then I ordered something else. What I ordered was the Sunflower palette. And those are the shades. It's kind of a fall themed here. Alright, so it says the pigments are listed as seen from front. So this would be Sunbeam. This would be Golden. This would be Real Ideal. This would be Joy. And this would be Fidelity. Now, they are all mattes. I did not realize that when I purchased it. However, I mean, what are you going to do? It is what it is. So, I am going to see about swatching these. So we can see a nice color story here. It's kind of a nice gradient of colors. That's a decent black. Alright, we're not doing makeup anymore. So let's turn that down. Those are the matte colors. And that is the Sunflower palette. Now, they don't seem to swatch the best, but that doesn't necessarily mean much because it all comes down to how it performs on the eyes. And swatches don't always tell you how that's going to work out. So, let's grab my other wipes here because I used that one to do makeup with and it was kind of a mess. Alright. So, there's that. There was a little bit of kick up in the pan, but you know, it's an all matte palette, and I believe these are handmade. They look handmade. So the second thing I got was the Steampunk palette. Those are the colors. So we have Boiler Room, Steam Powered, Time Machine, Clockwork, and I believe that says Bustle. I could be wrong. Alright. Now these are all some kind of shimmer shade. I don't know if they are duochromes or multichromes or anything like that, but let's see if that one builds up here. That shade here seems to. Okay, I was trying to be gentle. Oh, maybe it just doesn't swatch well. That looks like a brown with a purple shift. It's actually quite an interesting shade. I'll show it to you in a second. On my finger. Ooh, it has a kind of a grain shift in the camera. Huh. Alright, so that is that shade. Anyways. So those are those shades from the Steampunk palette. And then they threw in some extras. This is called Burnish. I am not sure that I will use those, but I know that Senia plays a lot with glitters when she's making her shades. Maybe. Okay, this is called, okay, this is a highlighter sample, and it's called Wind Chimes. And it has a pink shift to it, so I might send that to Senia as well, just because Senia, she's a pink lady. She loves that pink. Oh wow, this kind of screams Debbie. It is a red glitter, but it shifts green. Red, green, red, green. I might send that to Debbie. Alright, and then I got a sample of the Sunflower Eyeshadow Primer. That is what the top looks like. And that is what the inside looks like. So I will have to try that. That is interesting. And then that is the end of the bag, except for a Cherry Jolly Rancher, a Butterscotch Dum Dum, and a roll of Smarties. Now, I have seen on their Instagram a few comments, one of which was mine, asking where their order was when they've gone past their turnaround time that is stated on their website. So I feel like I should warn about stuff like that. I've seen other comments. Now I got my stuff, but I've seen comments where people are saying they did not get their stuff. So I don't want to promote a company blindly and not give any information when I've seen comments like that. That's concerning to me. I did not see those comments until after I already made my order. But, like I said, I did get my stuff. So I know that they do send you stuff. I've been through companies where, you know, you send them your payment and you have your order, and 6 months later, a year later, you still have nothing. So I would say order at your own risk. But I will add these to my wheel, and we will see how they perform when they come up. All right. I always have Michelle from A Day in the Life of Michelle linked below. My look comes from the wheel series that she inspired. I also have Renee linked below. She needs watch hours, as does Clara Barrera, who is also linked below. Go check them out. Run a few of their videos, give them some watch hours. They could really use it. All right. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, you know, to me and my videos. Anyways, I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.